Hello, Assalamu alaikum. Here I have 2018 edition of Harry Potter series. It's the complete collection and look how mysterious and nostalgic the box is. I also have first book from 2014 edition, but not owning the complete series felt like a sin or a crime against literature. Let's examine the box first. In my opinion, the black and white part of the box represents the context, the environment, the magical environment, the mysterious walls, and the colors represent the friendship they built over the years. I see a spider, the tower where Dumbledore met his fate, mysterious walls of Hogwarts. Here is a dragon. Owls are delivering post. I'm not sure whose skull is this. Oh no, it's the Dark Mark. Now let's see the tightly packed books individually. Pink to me represents the budding friendship of the trio. Here is Philosopher's Stone. Each book has a quote at the back. He'll be famous, a legend. I wouldn't be surprised if today was known as Harry Potter Day in future. There will be books written about Harry. Minerva McGonagall. The next book is Sea Green, and just like Sea, Chamber of Secrets took us to a mysterious tour of what more is to Hogwarts and the magical land it represents. It is our choices, Harry, that show what we truly are, far more than our abilities. Albus Dumbledore. Now let's see the lilac, Harry Potter and the Prisoner of Azkaban. Most of the title of Prisoner of Azkaban had Buckbeak on it. Similarly here is Buckbeak. The Dark Lord will rise again, with his servant said, greater and more terrible than ever before. Sybil Trelawney. Harry Potter and the Goblet of Fire is orangish red, and here is when the story started, taking its turn towards the evil serious side. We see the majestic dragon on the cover. It matters not what someone is born, but what it grows to be. Albus Dumbledore. Harry Potter and the Order of Phoenix looks dull standing on its own, but like a primary color, when you mix it with the other books, it seems like the most powerful book of the series. This is his weapon he has been seeking since his return, the knowledge of how to destroy you. Albus Dumbledore. Let's welcome the blue and red Harry Potter and the Half-Blood Prince. How spooky the title is, with the Dark Mark and the tower where Dumbledore met his fate. Will you, Severus, watch over my son Draco as he attempts to fulfill the Dark Lord's wishes? Narcissa Malfoy. The last one and the most heaviest of all is Harry Potter and the Deathly Hallows. It's mustard and green. We can see Nagini on cover. Those who want to know the background of Nagini should watch The Fantastic Beasts. Give me Harry Potter and I shall leave the school untouched. Give me Harry Potter and you shall be rewarded. Lord Voldemort. So here are the 7 parts of Harry Potter, my complete collection. It's 2018 edition.